sino mo handang-handa lumuhod ah? Okay, pasok, pasok! Pasok, pasok! Pasok, tanginan nyo, huwag kayo mahiya. Ano ba yan? Alam nyo ba yung pasok?
Sino papasukan?
Okay.
I think tama.
Okay.
Ay, tapos tinapon ko
Okay,
yung
MJ.
video.
Okay na? Okay na?
Pasok.
Okay na? Okay na? Okay. So, una, since kakatapos lang ng drag, we will huddle first for Killian. Okay, so, Killian, meron ka bang speech?
Thank you.
Ina mo, ayusin mo. Ano nga? Ano nga?
Ano? Thank you.
Amen, amen. Yun na yun, sure ka na?
Short and sweet.
Alright, sige. Okay, ikaw mag-lead ah, ikaw mag-lead. Lead the prayer. Ikaw yung sisigaw ng first round.
Speech ng parent.
Speech.
Ay, sige, parent.
Parents.
Sige na. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Okay, parents.
On behalf.
Okay, so,
Like mom.
mag-i-up muna ako guys. As my final ending. So, ayun, thank you sa ambag ng everyone. So, well, first of all, thank you sa mga nag-volunteer na voluntary, no, kahit hindi AAT. So, then, special shoutout kay Zay for the photo shoot and yung headpiece ni Killian, kay Thea, kay Ron for helping to prod, kahit di naman sila prod, kay Joff for her ideas and yung additional na ideas, for additional ambag for like the concept and yung sa dance performance. So for EAT then, thank you sa inyong support, for Fame, for giving us the budget that we need, for Pub, especially kay Ray, for editing the AVP namin, and kay Brill, and kay Jeff and kay Yush for the posters, and yung photoshoot na edited pictures, for Manuel, for the mix performance natin, and sino pa ba? Thank you for sa Rex namin, kay Ali and kay Shinga Marie for being very attentive, no? And although we had some ups and downs during our run, ayun lang, nairaos naman. And lastly, sa comms, Aliyah and Gian, kay wala sila dito, kahit mag-get well soon tayo kay Gian, guys, kasi masakit doon na apparent.
Get you.
So, ayun, personally, no, kasi like, as a parent na nag-drag lang, joke lang, na nag-drag parent lang kasi tayo yung nag-host ng cosplaying. So, wala akong avenue to vibe the cosplay adjacent stuff. Ayun lang, I would like to thank the org for the past 2 years of being a drag parent. And sana nag-enjoy naman kayo. Sana nag-enjoy everyone sa mga gawa namin. Shit, nakalimutan ko lang i-thank yung prod. Salamat, prod! Hindi ko pala yun. Salamat sa everyone. Isahin ko na lang sila kahit yung iba wala dito. So, kay Nix, kay Kuhad, may runner, siya laging pinapabili ko ng shit, tagahata ko ng tao, and stuff. Sa mga memes ko, kay Jason, kay Theo, kay Medwin, kay Ross, kay Celine, kay Killian, kay... I forgot the rest. Kay Wendell, and others. et al. Ayun. So, ay, si Ledge din pala. May ano yun. So, sorry guys.
Pagod na si Yuri.
Gago, ano, I was up since 3 a.m. Forgive me. So, salamat guys. And ayun, sana kung sino man yung rep natin, and kaya next year, sana support niyo sila. Huwag naman sana. And ayun, I think ito na yung best time para maging sentimental and umiyak. Pero umiyak na ako kanina nung nag-top 4 sa Kenya. Pwede na rin. So, ayun lang. Salamat, Kirsten.
Thank you to our dancers.
Okay, pala.
Ang hirap hatakin pero mga naiinggit naman. Masaya naman sana kayo sa ginawa ninyo.
Salamat din pala kay Vic, our life start.
Yes, friends mo, JC, Ledge, Ross, Renzo, Vic na bagong hatak lang din today. And ayun, yun na lang naman natin. And everyone else nakaduman sa thumbs up na tumulong sa akin. Yay! And finally, thank you kay Kilian. Kasi kung wala siya,
Salamat to that one budol hiking. Anyway, for context guys. Kaya, ganito, gusto niyo ba yung lore, ba't nag-round 2 kami? So, ganito kasi yun. Nag-hiking kasi kami. Tapos napagod sila. So like midway through, nag-stop kami. Tapos ayun, like parang namroblema ng 80 obviously since wala pang drug parents. Tapos itong si Kilian, diniem niya si Gia na, ay, ikaw ba yung magiging drug parent ko? Tapos itong si Gia, ngumiti lang. Tapos, ay, parang pwede naman, if matino yung kasama ko. So like, ay, nagsabi ako, what if part 2? Pero di naman ako matino, so baka wag na lang. Kasi, sabi niya, okay lang naman. So like, ayun.
okay lang naman.
Yay!
So, kaya